Hello students, and welcome to this video for completing Learning Publisher Exercise 30. So you should have Pub 30 open, or open that up right now if you don't have it open already. And we're going to save it here with a new name, as we often do at the beginning of our exercises. The name for this exercise is going to be 30 open underscore your initials. So 30 open underscore your initials. You're going to save that. And then it says here that we're going to make some changes here to the photo and make it different, the different images in it. So first off, we're going to select this picture right here, and we need to make some changes to it. Now first it says crop the photo on the left and right sides so that it's square, and then enlarge it to fill the available space. So I'm going to go to my Format tab up here. I'm going to be working with crop. So I have two. I can do crop to shape, and you'll notice that it gives me different options here. Now you notice it's already basically a rectangle, so I can't choose that as an option in case you were wanting to do that one. But if I want, I could use some of these other ones to get to fit. So I'm actually just going to choose crop up here, and I'm going to want to bring it in about an even amount on each side. It's a little hard to do with the magnifier, so I'm going to pull this out a little bit here. Pull this in a little bit. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Undo. Make sure when you're cropping it, let's try that again. Be careful of what part you're grabbing, so make sure you get that black tab. There we go. Let's double check and make sure. There we go. And then I'm going to choose crop up here again, and then voila, it does it. And then it says make the image larger to fill in the available space. So I'm actually going to go and let's scoot this over here. Oh, I have it a little bit too far. Okay, so this is about as far I want the text. So let's actually bring it down a little bit more. So once you're finished, it should look just like this. So crop it so it's a square, and then stretch it out so it fills the available space. Then you're going to resize and reposition the hair and clip as shown in illustration A, and I'm going to show you up here on the screen, and you're going to edit its wrap points as shown. So now with the picture wrapping text around it, now normally you'll notice it fills the whole entire shape. I'm completely fine with the size of the picture of the bird. So what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to edit the wrap points. So I click up here on wrap text in my arrange group. I'm going to go down here to edit wrap points, and you can see the wrap points are edited like this. And so I'm going to tweak a few of them here just so that way we're getting it off the bird's back, so to speak. So what I really want you to do is, you can see here, oh, it's right, excuse me, the bird. So we're going to pull it out a little bit. You know, this is a little bit tedious, but if you get started, it shouldn't take you too long. So we're going to edit the wrap point so that way it's sticking out from the bird as opposed to right next to it. And for this one, actually for the tail, let's bring this down a little bit further. Put a straight line here. The feet in this part with the plants are completely fine. And then, you'll notice I'm creating a new point here. And I'm going to go into your exercise and see, did you actually go and edit the wrap points here? And then we got to pull this up from the bird's head a little bit as well. Okay, so this is how it should look for your wrap points for the bird. So I want you to change those. The position size is actually okay as is, but edit the wrap points, and then you can save it, print the publication. So we're using the same name, Microsoft Print to PDF, and we're going to name this as 30 open underscore your initials and save it. Then we're going and opening up opub 30. So you should have downloaded the file already, opub 30. So I'm going to scroll down here to it, opub 30. Oh, hang on a second. I apparently did not get the file. Let me pull it from my flash drive here. So open up opub 30. Should have already gotten this file. Apparently I skipped this file by accident. Or it looks like actually for some reason the file is missing here. So we're going to skip that part of the exercise. So it's not in the data file, so we'll skip that. So for 30, we're just going to keep it simple. I want you to complete this part with the wrapping the text points, or the wrap text points, moving those around, and then of course resizing this image. And that is how you complete exercise number 30 of learning Microsoft Publisher.